rap me full, oh, rap me full, oh, rap, 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 yeah, yeah, you rap. Yo guys, today we're unboxing K-nex Donkey Kong. Comes with the Donkey Kong figure and loads of other stuff. I've already done Mario one, but it wasn't on camera, so let's get it open. Let's open this box. Let's get this open, and especially let's show you when building it. Okay, so let's open this. Almost done the sellotape. Then 3, 2, 1. Open the box. Let's get everything out. There's, oh god, everything's going all over. Shut. Let's just go and get this piece. Right, and we're right back with the piece. Right, we got loads of stuff. I have no idea where to start. Let's just show the figures. Let's go and get the lucky scissors. Let's go and get the lucky scissors. Right, I'm just going to get the scissors. Don't listen.
I'm not putting in fire cone.
So, right. We're back. Lazy. Boom boom.
What are you doing?
Just cutting these tops off.
Why?
Luckies.
What's that big cone? That.
Let's do. Right. Let's let Lazy go. Right, there's first. That was a whole flavor. So open this bag. Oh, sorry, everybody. Sorry about that. So let's open this bag. Let's take. Tash me. Oh wait, don't. Oh, I need to open the instructions. Open that piece. So let's just get all this stuff out. Oh, there's more bags. Why? There have to be more bags. Right, no Lazy. So there's the instructions open. There's this bit. Okay. So let's get out Donkey Kong.
Look at 45, 6.
Right, there's Donkey Kong, everybody. Donkey Kong and his Golden King mushroom. Right, let's get building. See you guys once we finish building.
Where this goes?
Oh, actually, we'll just leave the camera on. So pass us them instructions list. Let's do this. Gosh, here's the instructions. So first bit is to this bit, then this bit, put them both together. Next bit is to get this massive bit and put it on I think. Tash, do you give me a hand? Can you just not do that? 1 second on. Right, let's just quickly. No. Right, let's just quickly do this. Oh, no, I'll just wait. Oi, move.
I'm looking at.
Right, there we go. There's that big. Oh god, sorry. Yes, please. So there's the second instruction done. Right, now we need to get the steering wheel. Where's the steering wheel? No, Lizzie! Lizzie!
Lizzie, give them the instructions, please. You have to show them how to build it, Lizzie.
Build it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's the steering wheel on.
Let me do call.
Let's just wait. Waiting. Right, there we go. Now let's just put them down. Put them down. Put them down so Cole can see. Right, now we all have to do is put the wheels on. Right, it's just shut now, and then I think I'll go
We're good
there.
with the rest. Put it by name.
Sorry if I'm taking forever.
Ooh, ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ah, ah.
There we go. There's the first one. Let's just do this other one. Right, next bit. There we go. Just clip that in. There's the next third wheel. Just clip that wheel in. And then let's do the next two wheels. Woo! It says tiring. Got the instructions. Oh! This. Oh god. Wait.
Look at the direction.
Oh god. Cash.
Yeah.
Something's happened.
What's happened?
Broken it.
Give me 10 seconds.
Okay. Let's just get the rest of the wheels on. Wait. I'm missing a piece. I'm missing a piece. Oh no, I'm not. There it is. It fell out again. There's one wheel. Done.
That's where this goes.
In the bin.
There you go.
No, don't call.
Now
Don't
let's
go
just
in the bin.
get this on there and that bit. Wait,
Yes, I know.
we need to do the little thing first. Here we go. Let's just do this quickly. I've done it wrong. Oh god. Just get this bit on. Yeah. But here you go. There's a little mushroom. Just put them there next to Donkey Kong. Now let's just get the. Oh my god, Lacey, let me have it.
Okay.
Lacey, give it back to Cole,
So-
please.
I'm doing this bit.
No, Lacey, you're gonna break it.
Not cold.
Tell her to give me.
Right, Lacey. Give me it back, please.
Let me do cold.
I'll let you play with it.
Oh,
When I fixed it.
All fixed it together, then you can show them how it works, can't you?
So there's one wheel. Last wheel is getting put on right now. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Last bit is right here. No,
No,
no.
Lacey, that's the sticker for it.
I need to see where the stickers go first.
You, Lacey, it goes on the back, son.
Oh, does it?
On the front and back. You have to put it on the back there, Cole.
Oh god.
Okay.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Gosh, I can't get it in.
Can I do you?
I can't do this stuff.
I'm Donkey.
And the back hold. Hi, back. Hi, buddy.
So we're almost done.
Hey, guys.
Hi, buddy. Let me do this.
We're just waiting.
Fix it.
I'm Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong will be introducing you and the golden mushroom. Oh god, Donkey Kong's
There you
on.
go.
There's the golden mushroom and there's the last piece is the sticker.
You put it on.
Oh, there it is. There's the car with Donkey Kong. So let's just get you out of the way. There it is. So now let's see if Donkey Kong can drive. All you have to do is take the legs off. Just put it on. And that is correctly done. So guys, there it is. Should we test it out? Pull it back. Say bye. Whee! So there we go. There's the Donkey Kong set. The Donkey Kong K-nex set. Ready? There's his. Ready? Let's just. Oh god. This is gonna be more better. Move them there. Right, here's the Donkey Kong set. Where's Donkey Kong's head?
Let's see only one, please.
Right, there's Donkey Kong. Here's the Donkey Kong's K-nex set.
Oh, look.
We've got Donkey Kong. the Donkey Kong car, and last for not all, the golden mushroom. So see you guys later. Peace. See you later.
Bye now.